Imagine a frosty morning in Finland, a table set with a warm, hearty breakfast. One dish stands out, Karjalanpiira. Hailing from the region of Karelia, these pasties are a Finnish breakfast staple. Crafted from a thin rye crust, their rustic exterior charms the eye. But it's what's inside that truly captivates, a creamy rice porridge filling, a simple delight that satisfies the soul. The pasties are baked until the crust crisps up, creating a delightful contrast with the soft, creamy filling. And the best part? Each pasty is served with egg butter, a traditional Finnish accompaniment. This rich blend of hard-boiled eggs and butter adds a layer of indulgent creaminess that elevates the humble pasty to another level. From the heart of Finland to your breakfast table, Karjalanpiira is a taste of tradition, a dish that celebrates simplicity, yet offers a symphony of flavors. This is the story of breakfast in Finland. Remember, it's not just food, it's a cultural journey, and every bite is an adventure.